Welcome to the final video in our financial package series. During this video, we will explore the GL trial balance, cash disbursement report, bank register report, bank account reconciliation report, and invoices and bank statements. The GL trial balance shows all transactions and activity related to individual GL numbers within the time frame listed at the top of the report. It shows each GL account that has been touched and all items that have touched it split into debits and credits. You will see the beginning balance, the total of debits, the total of credits, and the end balance delineated for each GL. Each line item gives you the date, ledger ID, description, total amount under either debit or credit, and type. The different types you will see are credit distribution, GL entry, invoice, owner charge, owner payment, and void. A credit distribution is like having an envelope of $400 cash and paper bills. One bill shows you owe $100 for trash, another shows you owe $50 for electricity, and another shows you owe $250 for water. You then use the cash to pay the bills. You divide the cash to cover each of the bills individually. $100 for trash, $50 for electricity, and $250 for water. The same principle applies when we receive payment from an owner. The credit, cash received, is applied to the bills owed, assessments, until all of those bills are covered. If there is money left over, it remains as a credit or a prepay on the account. A GL entry is a manual entry and is typically interest or a fund adjustment. Invoice, owner charge, and owner payment are exactly as their title describes. Void references an item on the report that has been removed due to an inaccuracy or needed change. The end of the report delineates the net total of debits and credits for the association during that time period. The cash disbursement report is as of the date listed at the top of the report. This report provides a list of items paid from the individual bank accounts and shows if the item was paid by check or by ACH. It is divided into the columns of date, check number, description, and amount. Within each individual section of the report, you will see descriptions of checks and ACH payments. These descriptions will include the vendor that received the payment and the purpose of each payment. The amount is then totaled at the bottom of the report. The bank register report is for the time period listed at the top of the report. It shows all items on the association bank register with dates from the beginning of the month to the chosen date. It does not include deleted items. It is divided by the association's different bank accounts. The balance as of the start of the time period is listed at the beginning of each bank account section, and the balance as of the end of the time period is listed at the end of each bank account section. All lockbox deposits, checks, ACH, returned payments, and interest items are listed. The bank account reconciliation is as of the date listed at the top of the report. It shows the reconciliation summary of each of the association's bank accounts, as well as their reconciled and unreconciled items for the given period. All of the association's bank accounts will be listed in the first section under the reconciliation summary, along with the total bank balance, the total of any uncleared items, the adjusted balance, the book balance, and the status. The second section will list any unreconciled items along with the total. The third section will list all reconciled items along with the total, including a separate section for interest. The remaining pages of your monthly financial package are all of the invoices and bank statements that are associated with the data provided to you that month. These pages serve as the receipts or records of what has been presented to you in report form. This concludes video 3 in our financial package series. Any questions or concerns you have regarding any portion of your monthly financial package or the documentation attached at the end can be directed to your community manager, as well as any requests for more detailed individual assistance.